Qbasic program to calculate the difference of two numbers. At first we have to write a comment rim to calculate the difference of two numbers. Now CLS statement, CLS is used for clear the screen. While calculating the difference of two numbers, at first we have to take input from the users. So input enter the value of first number. Any variable you can define a. Now input enter the value of second number. B. Let here we have to define calculation variable diff. Okay, any variable you can define. Difference equal to a minus b. Now print statement. Print the difference of two numbers is print the difference of two numbers is diff. Now we have to end the program A and G. And now we have to end the program. Now enter the value of first number like and enter the value of second number. So the difference of two numbers is 22.